Welcome back. The draft holistic plan for Panaji was presented on Thursday by a Spanish company. 4-lane road from GMC to Donaupaula, renovation of Panaji bus stand, grid separator for GMC, third bridge along Mandovi from Panaji to Porvorim, parking facility from Panaji to Betim, high-speed boats to enter Panaji are proposed in the plan. Area from Panaji to Raibandar will be converted into an ecological park. CM Parrikar said the draft plan consists of various aspects designed and finalized by the experts for upgradation of infrastructure in Panaji city. The plan will be kept open for public objections and suggestions till 28 July.
We also are proposing a master plan that is need for another middle stage development, also for architectural guidelines. Now, this is something that we are also missing, and we are encouraging architects in the city to do some research also on that, on the not only on the road section, also in the how the facade should be preserved and built in the future.
If we put in somewhere around 500 to 800 crores into the urban areas per year, after another 1 or 2 years, initially maybe 200, 300, all 5-6 cities can be, in 5 to 7 years, can be put on track with better facilities, better mobility, better connectivity, and lot of what they suggest will not even cost that much. And as a finance minister, because this is not Panaji alone, let me be straight. Maybe the city has been taken as a first model, but what I see right from top to bottom is the urban decay. Most of our cities are setting into that trap of urban decay. So this is an attempt to stall that decay and make the cities more nicer, looking better and cleaner. So what we start with Panaji will be repeated in other cities in a step manner. The issues raised like heritage, the basic landscape of the city, I think they are aware of it, and that can be interacted in next 1 month. There are 2 issues which came up. One is urinating on good nice buildings. I'll let them start this, and I will ensure that these things are stopped. Because ultimately we will be punished people. But then don't call me dictator if I start arresting people for urinating on the road.
A mother of a schoolgirl complained that attempts were made to abduct her daughter from school premises in Mapsa. The minor girl in her statement complained that 2 unknown persons tried to pull her in a vehicle. The complaint has been registered with the Mapsa police. Police are investigating the case.
The incident occurred on Thursday. Mother of minor girl complained that attempts were made to kidnap her daughter from school premises in Mapsa. Girl child studying in 7th standard in her statement mentioned that 2 unknown persons in a white Maruti van tried to pull her in the vehicle near school premises during recess time. The girl managed to escape. She has given description of the suspects to police. Mapsa police are trying to trace the vehicle. This is the 3rd case in last 2 months that the same vehicle is mentioned in similar crime.
Mapsa पोलिसांनी ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केला attempt to kidnap under section 354 363 mother of the victim girl तिने कंप्लेंट स्टेशन जे म्हापसा पुलिस स्टेशन that her minor daughter studying in 7th standard ते म्हापसा एका स्कुलांतल्यान बसतना some people came there and got hold of her hand आणि ताणें बोवाळ मारून हाताक घास मारलो आनी ते धांवून गेले. पुलिसांनी ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केला आनी पुलिस आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Some robbers looted Ganesh Mandir in Thane Kotali on Wednesday midnight. Robbers decamped with an idol, crown of Lord Ganesh and 2 fund boxes. Members of the temple have estimated a loot worth 1,50,000 rupees. People have blamed Kotali police outpost for negligence and minimum patrolling. Meanwhile, a flat was burgled at Porvorim. Cash worth 5 lakh rupees has been stolen. The members of the temple committee rushed to the site when the priest of the temple informed about the robbery. The priest had come to perform morning prayers. He informed that the door of the temple was opened and an idol was missing. 2 fun boxes and crown of Lord Ganesha was robbed. This temple is located at Thane in Kothali.
दारां सगळीं ओपन आसा मागीर आमी भायर रावन पळयलें पुलीस आयले पुलिशेन पळयतकूच आमी मागीर भितर गेले जाल्यार तुगेलो एक मुकूट ना देवाचो प्लस तुगेले एक मुर्ती ना मागीर 2 फोन पेटी चोरल्यो आनी बारीक बारीक सामान आनी मागीर मेन आमचो त्या हेजो वॅल्यू म्हणटा तो मागीर 1.5 लाख सुमार जातालो.
They have blamed the police for not patrolling at the site.
जवळ 10 मिटरचेर पुलीस स्टेशन आसा म्हणल्यार पुलीस हांगा गस्त बिस्त कांय तसलें घालनात कितें आनी त्या हांगा मेन हाजेर चोरी जावप म्हणल्यार हाका कांय अर्थूच उरलो ना लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कांय उरलीच ना अशें जालें ना सरकारान जे पळय आमकां हांगा पुलीस स्टेशन आउटपोस्ट दिलां ताणें हांगा आउटपोस्टाची सारकी निगराणी करची.
Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent. A tree was uprooted in Vasco during the wee hours of Thursday. 4 vehicles were damaged in the incident. Locals informed that despite of several complaints to concerned departments, no action was initiated by the officials. People also said the fire personnel arrived late in the morning, but the officials claimed otherwise. Meanwhile, a pit in the middle of the road at Duler Mapsa has turned to be a threat to the drivers.
एकांक सुमार हे झाड पडले आणि वारो आणि पावस चढ येत आसलेले ताजे खातीर पडले. पयलीं सुद्दां हे झाडाचो एक सायड पडलेली तेजे पयलीं आमी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान एक कंप्लेन केल्लेले की झाडाक अशें आहा आनी भायर सरला तेजे रूट्स बी दिसता पण बीन हे गव्हर्मेंट लोकांनी कोणें कांयच एक्शन घेवंक ना. फायर डिपार्टमेंट सुद्दां आतां नवांक आयला कारण रातचे एकांक पडलेले ते आतां आयला. फायदो कितें ते सगळे डिस्ट्रॉय जावन गेले.
आमकां कॉल सकाळीं 9 जावन 9 मिनटाचेर कॉल येयला आनी झाड पडला तेणें आमी इमिजिएटली येयला. तुमी पळयलां आसतलें ते एक झाडाचेर 4 गाडयो पोंदाक पडल्या. देर आर डॅमेजीस टू ऑल 4 व्हेकल्स. कारण म्हणटा रिजन म्हणटा पळय ते आतां ह्या दिसांनी तुमी पळयलां आसतलें 2 दीस कंटिन्युअस पावस पडला सो पावस पडून मे बी द सॉयल वॉज सॉफ्ट जावन ती सॉयल ते झाड पडला आनी इट वॉज.
On the other side, this pit has damaged vehicles travelling to Duler Mapsa. The vehicles travelling on the road get totaled, making it risky for the drivers. People said this pit has not been repaired from past almost 20 days. They said many accidents take place during the night hours. But the officials have turned a blind eye. Meanwhile, seasonal rain has touched 62 inches mark by Thursday evening. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.